Hello good people, welcome to another video. This video comes from a village, deep into a village. I'm going to show you a lot of things that are here. I'm with my escorts here. The kids are going to take me around to show me everything that is around here. It's kind of a nature walk. Hope you people will enjoy. Alafu ni wapi? Where? We have rocks here. So there's somebody trying to clear this bush for planting. It happens that between the rocks we can see some soil. That's where you plant something. It's a big one. These are wonders. This one inaitwaje? Ndizi. Na hii? This one. Here. Look at that massive rock. It has spread almost the whole land. But then because it has some soil around it, at least something can grow there. An example, this banana is just between the rocks. Almost everywhere. Sometimes it's a natural thing, so you cannot fight with it. You just leave it to remain natural. Look at that. The best scenery around, and it's closer to a home. So they wake up to enjoy such. They wake up to enjoy such. It is something that they are used to. Tangulia panda. Upitia hapo. We have blackjacks, but we have to pass. You know, when you want to see something good, you must struggle. It's deep. This one, look at that. From here, very good view. A green area, very green. We're going up. It's not an easy task, but we have to. The children are they're young, so they go so fast. I cannot match their energy. Hapa hakuna nyoka. Kuna nyoka hapa ndani. I'm asking children whether we can spot a snake in these bushes. But they're telling me around here not many snakes. But we must be keen. This is their habitat, you cannot fight them. Look at that. I wish I could go to the top of that stone. Tupande juu. Uko juu. Maifika huko. Umeipanda? Wapi? It's a good view, but you have to struggle to be on top of that stone. Take Take care, please. Slowly. Yes. Yes. Kuna njia. Let's go through the maize plantation. Though at this time, when it's hot, you can eat when you're passing through this maize later in the day. Cactus from the other side. It's grown so huge. It makes the place even more beautiful. Yeah, it's a scenery of its own. Even though due to human encroachment and what have you, maybe later we are not going to see such. Because you know, as population increases, we tend to use the resources that are available. Maybe someone will squeeze himself or herself here and maybe build a house here. So this might not exist unless it's preserved. Tuendele. Let's go. The pollen grains, they fall on you, you feel itchy on the skin. But you know, if you want to adventure, at times you must go through such. Even those that go to the top of the mountains have to endure the cold for us to see what is up there. Pole, yes. I cannot match their speed because they're still young and flexible. But we just have to. We have to go. You have to move around. Look at that. Almost the whole land is full of stones. Look at that. Yeah. You're at the top. Enjoying. I have the children who are taking me around. They know the places that are good for me because they're used to coming up here. These are my tour guides. Umefika mwisho? Good. Unaenda paka pale juu. Look at that. It's a wonder that a stone in that angle has never fallen. Yeah. It's a wonder. This is God's work, God's creation. You can. You see, there's a good breeze over here. Unlike the place we started, it's too hot over there, but I can feel a very good breeze. Say hi.
Hi guys, my name is Lifty Young.
Okay, good. Good girl. Yeah. This is my friend's daughter. And the other one is a neighbor.
My name is
Paul Muita?
Yes.
Oh, good. Thank you. Yeah. These are the neighbors. Nipande up. I'm asking if I am safe. Let the child go first. Okay. Ataweza kurudi? Yeah? Oi. I'm at the top. Hapa ndio mwisho. Guys, you can enjoy all this. It's a place, it's a scenery that need to be preserved for future generations. If encroached, then they not have the privilege to see such things. Yeah, these things they make you happy. You just feel that the world is real, a real place to be. I've tried. This is the farthest place I can go. I wish I could go to the top of that one, but for now, that is it. Yeah, you can watch. It's a good place to watch the village. You can see almost everywhere. I'm happy to see maize even surviving inside, in between the rocks. It's not easy, meaning that place is so fertile. And the rains over here, we have rains almost all around the year. Because if we don't have rains and from below here we only have stones. If the rains are, if we miss rain so much, nothing can survive here because of the heat from the rocks, from the bottom. So that's how God balances these things. And it's nature. You know, you can't go against nature. And if you fight nature, it's, I think, it doesn't forgive. Nature doesn't forgive. That's why we need to take care of everything that is natural. As much as the population is growing, we must be considerate and we must give nature space because it doesn't forgive. An example, those people who have encroached riparian lands, they built along the riverways. You know, with time, nature punishes them. You hear of places where water has taken homes. Most of the parts are riparian lands where we need to preserve and let nature exist naturally. We cannot fight it. I think you people have enjoyed this place. I'm enjoying also. Now it's time to go back. I have my tour guides here. Very young and flexible. Pole. I must support. Hapo utafika. Good. Yeah. It's a good place. I love to walk around to see more of this. There are places that are steep. We have to. Guys, like I told you earlier, we have to try as much as possible to take care of nature or leave it to exist the way it was created. Maybe, yeah, now it's tough going down. It's very tough, but we have to. These places, you need to come early in the morning or maybe late in the evening because of maize. I know when I'm going to relax somewhere, I'm going to feel the itch because of this maize. The pollen grains, they are falling because they flowered. Yeah, but you have to. You just had to pass. Wow, I can see light now. We still have a long way to go. Look at that. It has never fallen. I'm told it has been like that since our great grandparents left it that way. How I wish we'd give it that. I wish it will remain standing for these generations and more to come to see. Hapa kuna shimo. You know, the children are used to this place now. They can show you the safe place to pass. Maybe you don't get into a hole. Unataka pia mimi niruke? Jump. It's even difficult, going down than. We're almost done with that. Yes. It's a good place, you know. It's eye-catching. You can visit this place. We are in West Korea, a village near Nyabohanze. I know most of you know Nyabohanze. It's a village near Nyabohanze, but I've not been told the name. Excuse. That's because of the pollen grains. Like I told you, I must feel it. But you know, I took myself there, so yeah. Down here, at least the stones are few. You can see a banana plantation. Tired, but I just have to relax now. Back the home.
Yes.
Yeah, we are back, guys.
Now we are back. This is your boy here, Brother Raggy again.
Yes.
And this is my mom's house. Have a look how it's just looking. This is the living room here. And we will be having an open kitchen from this other side. Yeah, we're looking forward. We start plaster. Start doing plastering of the house.
Yeah.
And also we have in here the visitor room.
Visitors room.
This is the visitor room from this other side.
Yeah. With the window on the other side.
Yeah.
This is a house tour, guys.
Yes.
You can see I'm here with my brother Daggy.
This is Brother Daggy over here.
Yes.
There is someone who has told that he will be starting cleaning. So when my visitors come, they can pass on a good place. Yeah, amatoke kanura jaribu kugeiha. Karakuya muyiga.
Yeah, this is a house tour my brother here has done wonders. And in fact, Brother Daggy,
yeah,
what I like
this
about...
This is our visitor bathroom.
Okay.
See this one? This is
yeah, it's connected to this room and which one? And the other?
Yeah.
Okay.
This
From
is
here.
the visitor room, the bathroom for the visitor. And also here we are having my mom's master bedroom.
Yeah.
This is my mom's master bedroom.
Oh yeah, it's a good one here.
Yes. My mom's
washroom.
Yeah. Here.
Yeah.
Very spacious from this other side.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's looking so so amazing.
Guys, yeah. This is what young people are doing.
Just come
and
from
in fact, what I like about Brother Daggy,
yeah,
he has given mom priority.
Yes.
Yeah, this house is not his. You know? He's building it for the mom. And that's a plus.
And then from there,
God bless you so much.
Others, we
yeah,
will come.
Yeah, we are still young. Really.
Yeah, we are still young for us.
We do that for our parents.
Yes.
Yeah, a good one.
How it just looks.
Yeah, it's a house tour. It's a two-bedroom.
Two-bedroom.
Okay.
Very big master room because you know
sure.
my mom, she has granddaughters, grandchildren,
and even visitors.
So it will reach a point where this house it will have a lot of people inside.
True.
So we decided to build something that is bigger. When we are bringing the visitors,
to accommodate everyone.
They will be comfortable.
True.
No need now starting crying and then we are here. We are here to build.
True.
Yes. No cry.
This is something good.
Yeah.
It's commendable.
Yes.
God bless you.
You know.
This one, when mom is happy.
Yeah.
You know, when parents are happy, guys. Days are added into our years. So it's a good place to be.
A good place.
And like all what I was showing you is in their compound, not compounds per se, but in their farm. All the stones, the rocks, and what have you are in this farm. So it's a place. It's a place that you can visit anytime. You're welcome to Kenya. Those around Kenya, you're welcome to Nyabohanze. To take you look at that. But watching in the mornings.
Have a look of this comment.
Oh yeah, sure.
You know that person?
Yeah. I can see. Yeah, it's still a tour in Brother Dagi's compound. Yeah, he's a young man, but he's doing good. He's doing good. What I can see here is commendable. And Brother Doug,
Yeah.
I'm here.
So this is my home. I'm having the mason.
Yes.
They are still here working.
Hello, my son.
Yeah. Unasalimiwa?
Yes, how are you?
Good.
I'm fine.
Yeah. You are YouTube also?
Sorry?
You do YouTube?
No.
Oh, okay. In this village, almost everyone has a camera, you know. Yeah, even my friend here has told me that he has a channel.
Yeah,
Introduce yourself, please.
my name is JJ Prince _ Kenya. Welcome to what's your name?
Ogachi Diaries.
Ogachi Diaries. Go and show some love by subscribing, like, and share. Also, don't forget me here, JJ Prince _ Kenya, guys. Go and show some love by subscribing, like, and share. Take me to 1,000 subscribers. I will appreciate.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
This place is noisy, guys, but that's nature of work. We cannot stop the mason. He's counting time.
Yeah, let us try.
Yeah.
Ushamaliza hizi madirisha ama bado?
Nimemaliza.
Eh.
Sasa ni usafi imebaki.
The mason is trying to clear the cement that is stuck on the metal. It's gotten to a level of painting. So it's thorough cleaning here. Yes,
Hadi
brother.
varanda kabisa utafagia ing'are.
Yeah.
Ing'are kabisa. So this is what we are doing in the village. Let's reach a point whereby we have to work. And through working, that's where we will see ourselves here. Just going to the
We're moving to different levels.
different levels.
Yeah, you know, without a house, I think you are a nobody.
Yes.
But when you have this, at least you have some. Even birds.
Yes.
Birds have their nests.
Yes.
So you must have a nest at some point.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we are in the village and we are appreciating for the love. Amazing things just coming from there. You have seen he has just taken you to the other side of the stones and the village. He's enjoying the nature. And just more and more just coming from this video.
True.
Thank you for watching. And maybe if you're having the last word.
Yeah, for the life. Okay, continue. We still have time.
Yes.
Yeah.
We still have time, guys.
Uh-huh.
Thank you for this. Bye bye.
Bye bye from Brother Dagi.
Yes.
But we still have a lot to show. Maybe the next 2 minutes.
Yes.
Yeah.
You can show them around there.
Yeah. Yeah, this is literally an African homestead. This culturally, like here, we are from the mother's compound. In our culture, because we share these cultures, the son's house cannot be at the back of the mom's house at any point. Even if the mom moves, there's no time the sons will build at the back of the mom's compound.
Yeah.
Yeah, and this is maybe the people who put that rule or the culture where it came from, they have a meaning. I'll be explaining that later. I'll get a forum for that. In my YouTube channel, guys, I'll give you time to understand culture. I know there are Kenyans who don't understand our culture because we don't share culture all around, but there are some that are similar. I'll give you a forum almost the entire time I'll be having, because I know of 1,001 rules in society that we call culture, and I'll bring it. I'll be telling you why this is done this way, why this is done the other way, why we do this, why we don't do that, from birth to circumcision to marriage, and even in death. Culture follows you even in your grave. That's culture, and we must abide by it. There are some cultures that are outdated, but then they go hand in hand with the religion. Some go hand in hand with religion. Some are extreme. That's why we've decided to leave them out. But most of them, however local they are, they have a meaning, and I'll be explaining I'll give you space to get to know us more. So from here, this is the start of the home. I've enjoyed a lot in this home. I've been a visitor for this the second day, and I'm happy. I'll be inviting Brother Dagi to the other side also. We'll share a lot. Thank you, and thank you for watching Ogachi Diaries. Thank you, my people.